Hi guys, I will show you my transaction Robux. Just look. Wait. You want to look my transaction if you want Robux, just comment your user and how much do you want. Surname. Mar 540. Password is 1. Okay, I finished my password. Okay. Open up. Just look my transaction. Yan, 120 transaction ko. Ayan o. 120. If you want Robux, okay, you want 120. Bye. Thank you for watching.